we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they
So, where are we? Asan tayo, guys?
Copenhagen!
Shaya! Excited? Mga gutom na po yan, kaya ganyan mga mitsura niya. Tara na, saan tayo? Wait lang, dito may Copenhagen na ano.
Ay, ang panay.
So, kasi hindi siya nasa-zoom in. So, maghahanap na lang kami ng kakainan. Yan. We're here. Touchdown. Asan kaya? Pakita natin ang view. Look at the view. So, ito ang labas ng train station. So, halata naman na nasa Copenhagen kami. Because there's a Copenhagen Plaza. Ayan. Nice naman dito.
We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs. With our best moves we get groovy. My, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na, 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 crazy when we drive around in our Mercedes. We're out all night or at
Naapurga na sila sa McDo. Ito, it's choice of Burger King and KFC. Siyempre nanalo ang KFC. Tingnan natin kung may rice sila dito. Pero feeling ko wala silang rice. Okay, ito na po. Nasa KFC po kami. So, hungry na.
Yes.
Hindi na po may pinta ang mga mukha nila kasi gutom na sila. So, ayan, mga napagod sa biyahe.
Asan yung siya? Asan yung siya?
So, ito ang aming
Very young doctorist.
ito ang aming pagstay for 2 nights and 3 days. Look at that. It's very nice. And here, go here. May pa-mirror selfie. May hanger.
Walang fridge? Ano yung
So, ito yung mga bata. Ang ingin agad.
Ano yung dyan na doon?
So, ito ang
TV?
pa-shower.
Mura lang yung upa natin.
Kayong ano?
TV?
So, ito yung pa-shower. Ito may mirror ulit. O, diba? Ano to? Miss, pakibukas, miss.
Ay, ano to?
Chanel. Shower din. Oh, ang galing. So, on natin yung activity. It's nice. Oh, diba? Sensor ang ilaw.
baby shampoo and come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places. And the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange?
kami lang dalawa.
Hindi mo na makapagets.
Mommy's bonding. Napagod sila. Sino kaya sa pagod niyo?
Pero kailangan may uwing McDo.
Truth. Tsaka KFC. Padala din tayo sa loob. Dapat yung iba-iba. Ay, Denmark.
Ayan, 2 piece, 1 piece. Wala pa ng 2 piece. 3 pieces dapat.
Ito. Or dito, baka may iba pa. Ayan, ah. Ay, dito, napaka-colorful. Alin? Saan ko na mabibigyan ito? Nobody knows it like I do. Ito, Denmark. Ay, ito pa. Ay, diba, naguluhan na ako ng bibilhin ko. Ito. Ay, ito yung mga Danish, ano. Hindi may ibang mas masarap na ano, diba?
You'll be my parachute, baby. Know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds. So is my heart pounds 10,000 feet between my parachute, baby. Know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me. Butterfly feeling, edge of a cliff. Rush of adrenaline.
Oh, there, oh.
Tingnan.
Eh, no, yun ka na. Kuya, you haven't dressed up. Good night, Jero. Jero, where are you? Good night.
Hey, say good night.
Good night.
Wait, let's...
Ha?